children still cannot recognize vowel? Don't worry, because in this video, I will help you to give some ideas on how to do activities to help our children recognize alphabet vowel. Firstly, I take any medium that I want to form the alphabet, and in this case, I use Play-Doh. So firstly, I'm gonna roll the Play-Doh with my children. With my children, it's up to you. Roll. And then I add some exaggerate storytelling, which is after I roll it, I want to see something very far. So I make this shape and I try to look. So I form the Play-Doh with the same shape. This one, same shape. And after that, it needs to walk, but it only have one leg. So I place the one leg to the side of it. And there you go, I have an A. I have A. And I place it to the board. And I just prepare the board so that I can place the alphabet. So let you and your children enjoy this process of forming alphabets in vowel. So in this case, the storytelling for A I've done just now. And for I just use, it has a straight line and then the dot on top. It had a head. And then E, it's like an elephant with its trunk. And then for O, just like a donut, yum yum. And then for U, look, it is smiling without its eyes. Smiley mouth. I'm going to show you a few more activities for this task, which is recognize alphabet vowel. The first one, we're using the medium for tracing on floor or any other medium such as cocoa powder or even rice. So we take our children's hand like this and let it point out its index finger and do the alphabet shape while saying the alphabet sound, the vowel sound, such as do a round like a donut makes an O. This is the first example. The next one, we can do the watercolor. So we write the alphabet on paper, and I've prepared a watercolor here. We mix the watercolor, and then we trace according to the alphabet here. Straight down, yeah, straight down, and then we make a dot. It's an I. Other than that, we can also make a tic-tac-toe game. For here instance, I say that I want A, and then let the children chop the A, and then see some more. Where's E? A for here. Chop again. So those are a few more example practice for recognized alphabet.